gonna cook just slightly. Final couple of steps, add half a teaspoon of Chinese black vinegar and just a splash of sesame oil. And there you go, a beautiful bowl of Shanxi hot oil. I'm hungry for, everything because hot oil basically goes good with everything. I almost want to like jump in here and take a bath. To get the best flavor out of your hot oil, what you want to do is let this sit overnight before you eat it. Let all that beautiful essence, aroma, everything from the wonderful ingredients sink into that chili even more, soak into that oil even more. But I'm sorry, right now just smelling this, I can't resist anymore. Let's take this out for a test drive. Just the way I like my ramen noodles. Every inch covered in hot oil. It needs something. A little Chinese vinegar. This bowl of noodles has now gotten the Shanxi twist. That's amazing. The oil is so fragrant, and I get little bits of sesame, which when you bite into it, it's like little pockets of aromatic flavor. The hot oil and the vinegar is like a flavor bomb that just exploded all over this noodle soup. It really can take something that's just ordinary tasting and elevate it to a heavenly level. All right, I think that ramen noodle test drive was a complete success. This hot oil is all inspected and ready for use. And guys, as always, all the ingredients used in this recipe is in my description box below. Again, I put the Amazon links by some ingredients that may be hard to find in Western supermarkets. So if you are a spice lover just like I am, please go and try this recipe, and I hope you love it as much as I do. And as always, thank you all so much for watching this video, and until we eat again, I'll see you later.